In this session, we're going to look at some of the financial reports that are in your system. So from my home ribbon, I'm going to go to Reports. Underneath All Reports, you're going to see a section called Financial. I'll open that up. So you're going to have various reports pertaining to the financials. So if I go to Bank Account Reconciliations, if I just simply double click, I can select whatever date range I want to look at, and you can go back as far as you want in the system. So if I look at, for example, last year, which account do I want to look at? I execute, and then here are the reconciliations that were done. So if I want to look at a reconciliation details, I just simply click it, right click, drill down, and I can get my statement or outstanding details. And this will give me everything in that reconciliation. You have a bank account summary. So if I open this one up, now all I'm doing is double clicking and just hitting no to create a new report here. I can select whatever date range I want. Hit execute. And that's going to give me a summary of all accounts, including credit cards, and what the opening and ending balances are. Bank account transactions. Again, you look at whatever date range you want to look at. Let's say we want to look at last month. Which account do I want to look in? Execute. Gives me the transactions. Cash receipt balance. Let's go back a little ways here. We're going to go back to this month to date. Hit execute. So this is invoice totals, how you brought them in, whether receivables charged, deposits, cash paid outs, any cash, check, debits, things like that. And then your totals. Cash receipts. And we can even include receivables if I want. Execute. Oh, nothing today. Let's go back a ways here. Let's say we got last month to date. Let's just do last month. Execute. There we go. There's last month's cash receipts, what invoices and payments, and it also lets you know what has been deposited and the date it was deposited on. It's consolidation. Let's go back here to this month. Here's your invoice amounts, types. In other words, was it a credit invoice or not? Work order numbers. Then your totals, cash, checks, deposits, and other. Other would be your credit card transactions, and then any receivable transactions. Payment processing would be if you have a payment processor such as 360 Payments, it would be all those transactions. And then you also have a work order deposit listing. So if I open this up and I hit execute, it'll let me know exactly what work orders I have going, that I have deposits on, and how much the total is and how much per work order. So you do have several reports in here under financial that you can utilize. Remember, all reports can be customized layout, and you can actually save them in My Reports, and you can print, export to PDF, email, and export out to Excel any of these reports.